Okay, so welcome back. Now let's finish up this design. Let's say it's a Zoom event. So we want to put just come to Google, just type Zoom logo PNG. So so that there you have it. With Zoom logo is what we want. So I'm trying to download it. Close. Good. Got it. So let's say it's a Zoom event. Want to have um, want to have live on Zoom. LIVE on. Need to bring this to the top. Live on Zoom. And you want to maybe like demarcate this text. Okay, I just drew a rectangle. I unlink it here and I reduce the width to something like two pixels. Yeah, two should do, or one. Good. Live on Zoom. And you can write Zoom ID. You write 5 4 3 2 1 blah blah blah. Okay, so here is the text. You want to reduce the line height because my text seems separated. You want to reduce the spacing so that it looks a bit compatible. I want to align to center, and then I want to make it a little bit bigger. Make sure it's locked here so that it doesn't get distorted. Good. iPhone Zoom. So I have my Zoom ID. Let me make this bold. Um, bold. Good. What's this? Let me cancel this. So I'm just trying to arrange my text by reducing and increasing so that my text doesn't look disorganized. Good. Just put the iPhone zoom here. Put my rectangle here. And then duplicate the rectangle and just put it here as a zoom ID. And say, let's say what we have next is duplicate this. Let's say we have passcode. So we have passcode. Passcode. So the code is mindset 02. So okay, so that's the passcode. So you want to group this entire, I like grouping an entire section so that I can switch it off and on. Control G. I just selected all. So I can switch off this entire section and switch it on. So I can name it like um, footer info. Then I want to like centralize this and maybe reduce it a little bit. So notice we are just using only a single image. Now there's nothing on the background. The background is plain white. You can want to add something to the background. We may design a background, but first of all, get your design going. So I want to put um a border, the fill. I'm going to go to fill, that's properties. I'm going to go to fill to cancel the fill. The stroke, I'm going to make it 2 pixel, and then I'm going to change the color to a gray color, and then I'm going to scroll down and then give it some border radius. So this is what I want to have here. Good. Then I'm going to make sure it's part of the footer info. So this is what I have here. Yeah. So I have speed, which is pretty cool, right? This is coming out great. Um, just let me delete that. I just want to spice this up a bit. I want to write a 1 day webinar. Okay, so let me just use that a bit. Good. So that's this should stand on its own. I drag it to the top of the layer. So I have a 1 day webinar. Let me make my one capital letter. Good. Uppercase, just like so. So we have a 1 day webinar. And put it here. Good. So speed. And let me just add something like this is not a real event. So don't inquiries. It's fictitious. I'm just making it up just for the purpose of this tutorial. And then this uppercase inquiries, maybe call +233 6 7 8 9 blah 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 blah. And then let me give it tracking. I want to put this. Great. So that's that about that. Let me move this up a little bit. So that's that about that. We have a good design. So that's that. So now let me give it some sort of background. And that's very simple. Just go to Pinterest, Pinterest, pattern, background. I'm gonna get a nice background, something like this, something like this. A cool background, but I want it to be a pattern background. check this out. I think this is cool, right? So let me get this. Just download image. Doesn't take time. Just go to your design, drag and drop your new image, and then you're good to go. Then you drag it to the base. Then you want to reduce the opacity to the barest minimum, like um good. 10 is cool, or 9, good. Then you want to, so that's pretty much it. Just reduce this a bit, good. And so that's pretty much it. Just reduce this a bit, and then you're good to go. So that's it. Try to create this. Let's see what you come up with.